In the heart of the North Pole, where snowflakes danced gracefully in the chilly air, Santa Claus was busy preparing for the most magical night of the year, Christmas Eve. His workshop buzzed with the joyful sounds of elves, who were diligently crafting toys for children around the world. This year, something special was afoot in Santa's workshop. Santa had received a letter from a group of children who lived in a small village nestled in the mountains. Their letter spoke of selflessness, kindness, and their unwavering belief in the spirit of Christmas. Touched by their words, Santa knew he wanted to prepare a surprise gift like no other. As Christmas Eve drew near, Santa gathered his most trusted reindeer and instructed them to carry a special sleigh filled with gifts to the remote village. But these gifts weren't ordinary toys. They were gifts of enchantment and wonder. The reindeer set off on their journey, and as they soared through the night sky, they sprinkled stardust over the sleeping village below, turning it into a winter wonderland. The villagers awoke to a breathtaking scene, their homes adorned with twinkling lights and their streets lined with frosted trees. The children, in their cozy pajamas, rushed outside to find the surprise that awaited them. Their faces lit up with wonder as they discovered the magical gifts Santa had left behind. There were talking dolls, musical instruments that played by themselves, and even a snow globe that held a tiny miniature village inside. But the most enchanting gift of all was a golden key with a note attached. The note read, "This key unlocks the door to a magical world of stories and dreams. Use it wisely, for the power of imagination is the greatest gift of all." The children couldn't contain their excitement. They hurried to the door of an old, abandoned library in the village, a place they had always wished to explore. As they turned the golden key, the door creaked open, revealing a library filled with books that seemed to come to life. The stories leaped off the pages, inviting the children into worlds of adventure and wonder. Santa had known that these children, who embodied the true spirit of Christmas, deserved a gift that would fuel their imagination and creativity. He had given them the key to unlock the magic within themselves. From that day on, the children spent their days reading, dreaming, and sharing stories with one another. The village was filled with laughter and joy, and the spirit of Christmas lived in their hearts all year long. Santa's special surprise had not only brought magic to the village, but also taught the children the importance of kindness, generosity, and the power of imagination. It was a Christmas they would treasure forever, a reminder that the truest gifts are those that touch the heart and inspire the soul. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of more mystical tales and adventures. Make sure to like, comment, and share with fellow adventurers.